Why hire professional laundry service in Melbourne? The best reasons. It's always a smart move to opt for a professional laundry service. It comes with the following advantages. It is convenient. The service is prompt. They are professional. They ensure sustainability. They are great time saver. Home Organizers is the best name to turn to in Melbourne. We offer the best laundry storage solutions in Melbourne. Our Melbourne laundry service has been spotless. Contact us. Call 0385839103. Email nancy@homeorganizers.com.au. Visit us www.homeorganizers.com.au. Thank you for watching.